everyone, welcome back sa ating 2021 BLEPT Mathematics Review Series. This is Gerald Apostol and I will be your lecturer for this video. At bago natin umpisa ng lahat, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, huwag niyo nakalimutang panoorin din ang ating question number 1 up to question number 20 sa ating mga previous videos. So let us start with question number 21. So this question number 21 is all about the fundamental counting principle. So sa ating fundamental counting principle, it states that if we have X ways of doing a task and then we have Y ways of doing the other task, it implies that X times Y ways for doing both tasks. So this is also extendable to two or more tasks or two or more things that we consider. So here in our problem, Robert has 25 sandos, 45 shirts, and 18 pairs of pants. So we have three tasks here. Task of selecting one sando, selecting one shirt, and selecting one pair of pants. So we're going to multiply 25 times 45 times 18. So 25 times 45 times 18 is equal to wait na, equal to 20,000 250. So we have 20,250 ways of creating an outfit based on this 25 sandals, 45 shirts, and 18 pairs of pants. So next question. We have question number 22 and question number 22. 22 is all about factorials. So when we say 5 factorial, that is equivalent to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, or we have 120. And we have 2 factorial, that is equivalent to 2 times 1, or 2. And remember that our 1 factorial and our 0 factorial are both equal to 1. So let us evaluate this. We have 5 factorial is 120 times 2 factorial. We have 2 times 1. So basically 120 times 2 times 1 is 240. 240 is the answer or the product of 5 factorial, 2 factorial, and 0 factorial. Next, we have question number 3 and number 23. So this question is all about combinations. So Katrina has a choice of 5 sweets and 4 drinks. And how many ways can she choose 2 sweets and 1 drink? So let us consider first the formula for combination. We know that the formula for combination the formula for combination is equal to, NC is equal to n factorial over r factorial n minus r factorial. So wherein your n is the total number of choices or total number in a set, and then yung r is the number that you are going to get in that particular group. So in this problem, let us first consider sweets. So we have 5 sweets, and how many ways will Katrina choose 2 sweets out of that 5 sweets? So wala tayong pakialam sa kung uunahin ba niya yung sweet number 1 or sweet number 2. So this is on combinations. So we have for if Katrina choose suite 1 and suite 2 or suite 2 or suite 2 and suite 1, this is just the same. Okay, okay, we have 5 suites out 2 suites out of 5, so we will have 5 combination of 2. This will give us 5 factorial over 2 factorial times 5 minus 2 factorial. So we will have 120 divided by 2 times 3. So we will have 120 divided by 6. Then we have 20. So Katrina has 20 ways of selecting 2 suites out of 5. So next, let us decide kung ilang ways let us just delete this. Okay. So we have 4 drinks, 4 combination of 1. So ilang ways pwedeng pumili si Katrina out of 4 ng isang drink. So you have 4 factorial over 1. Then we have 5 factorial minus 1 factorial. We will, sorry, not 5. This is 4. 4. Since we have 4 drinks, so it's going to choose 1 drink lang din. So 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Or this is equivalent to 24 over 1 and 3 factorial. 1 times 3 factorial. And remember the 3 factorial is equivalent to 6. So we have 4. So 4 ways lang yung pwedeng makreate ni Katrina sa pagpili ng isang drink out of 4. Siyempre, it's either pipili niya yung una, pangalawa, pangatlo, o pang-apat. So isang-isa lang, tigi-isa sa bawat kind of drink. So she has 4 ways of selecting one drink out of 4. So we will have 20, yung kanina, yung 5 sweets out, 2 sweets out of 5 times 4. So we will have 80. We have 80 ways na si Katrina will choose 2 sweets and 1 drink out of this 5 sweets and 4 drinks. Next, question number 24. So, Dean Victor has 10 different photos of which 4 are to be hung in a row on his room. In how many ways can this be done? So, as you can see, this is on permutation. So we have N, P, R, wherein yung N is the total number, yung R is yung number na kukunin mo dun sa set, and then yung P is a symbol that indicates permutation. So we have N factorial over N minus R factorial. So it's almost the same doon sa ating combination. Ang pinagkaiba lang is may R dito na part sa unang. So we have N is 10, permutation, ilan yun? 4 is equal to 10 factorial over 10 minus 4 factorial. So we'll have, this is 6 factorial. So you have 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. We're going to cancel this, and then we're going to cancel that also. So we have 10 times 9 times 8, 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. Yung natitira. So we have 5,040 So Dean has 5,040 ways para isabit mo yung apat na photo out of 10 dun sa wall. So yung yung arrangement is nagma-matter dito. So yung kanina, yung kay Katrina, hindi nagma-matter yung arrangement. Pero in permutation, since this is on arrangement, it matters. So this is on functions. So if function of x is equal to x squared plus 2, we have here, find f of 1. So unang natin gagawin is kunin natin yung inner part. So we're going to solve this first, f of 1. So f of 1, we're going to substitute the value of x lang doon, which is equal to 1 dun sa ating function. So that 1 squared plus 1. So we will have f of 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. And then we're going to substitute that here. So this will become f of 2. And then at this f of 2, gagamitin ulit natin doon sa ating original functions. We have f of 2 will be f of x of 2 plus 1. So we have f of 2 is equal to 2 squared plus 1, which is equal to 4 plus 1, or we have 5. So ang ating f of 1 is equal to 5. So our final answer is 5. So that's all for this video. Please don't forget to put the subscribe button and see you sa susunod na video. Bye-bye.